I literally just started like 2 seconds ago. Welcome. Hello, Raiders. Hello, Kupo. How are you? Thanks for the raid. I appreciate you. How are you? I literally just. Were you waiting for me to switch to the ghost rain? Nice. I appreciate. So tonight I'm working on Magical Girls and Mecha. I have this is a companion live stream to a YouTube video that I posted to my YouTube channel. So basically, I went through with pen and paper and I fixed a bunch of stuff in the document that is the guidebook. And so now I'm gonna go like do it digitally. Have fun playing Genshin. I haven't played since like the first day. Like I have not played, and I keep saying I'm gonna play, but I haven't had time to do anything. My life consists of work, 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 work. Um, which is really annoying, but it is what it is. If you want to, I did play Final Fantasy the other day. I did play 14 the other day. But you weren't around. I don't know what you were. I think you were playing Genshin. I think I saw that you were playing Genshin, so I was just like, oh, okay. Um, but like I fought Garuda. I did some other stuff. Nah, it's fine. I didn't want to bother you if you were doing something else. What's happening here, keyboard? Why are you being mad at me? What's happening? My computer freezing? That's weird. Also, all things considered, antisocial isn't the worst thing that you could be right now. I'm prepared. I'm super excited. It's gonna be great. Wait, what? That's not right. Did I skip a page? Oh, I missed one in the first page. That's what happened. Um. Hey, thanks for the Moogles. Welcome. Okay. Let me just make sure that they are follow. Okay. So basically, part of this joyous test. Everything's been a little weird lately. Like my computer just made me reload. Yeah, I'm super excited. I'm super excited. Can't you tell? Okay. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna undo that. I'm gonna undo all of the work that I just did. I'm just gonna undo that little bit of work that I just did because I don't like it. Uh, I am so I'm one of the things that I'm doing in this document is I'm making it more gender neutral. Um, in certain sections. No, I'm not genuinely excited, but I like politics. I just hate that this is what politics has become. Uh, yeah, magical. I decided to change all the key keepers. Just okay. So it's doing that. Like, so I like politics. I like. If you had asked me 10 years ago about election day, I would have been like, yes, I'm excited for election day. Like, I'm genuinely excited. Uh, yes, yes, no, obviously. So long as your politics don't involve wanting me not to have rights, politics entertain me. Okay. What's happening here? Oh, that's what's happening here. Okay. Theme from pages. Okay. Setting. Like, so long as your politics aren't rooted in my oppression, go for it. But so much of politics has become that I'm not interested. Oh, I need another document. Shit, Nick. Let me see if I can find it. It's in this somewhere. It's somewhere in this place. Let me go find it. History Chronicles. PTRPG. Oh my god, I have too many documents in this folder. World map. Location. Guidebook. Yeah, I'm not like I'm excited for tomorrow, but I'm not excited for tomorrow. Like I'm not like this is gonna. It's a nightmare waiting to happen. Why does that look like that? Why is the spacing weird there? Why is my spacing all weird? Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do that. Oh, but if I do that, okay. I'm just gonna do some formatting fixes real fast. Oh, I know what's happening. Okay, sorry. I know you can't see what I'm doing. I will fix it in a second. I just need to. I'm just fixing some formatting that I did that was all fucked up. Or rather, not. It wasn't fucked up. It wasn't fucked up. I changed the way I want this formatted. And I'm just making it do the thing so it's right. Oh wait, I did that wrong. Shoot, come on, fix this. Okay, so that's the first page, and then it goes enter, and there should be a blank page. There should be the first page. Nope. Okay, there we go. That fixes it. Sorry, I'm like fixing formatting. So this game, Magical Girls and Mecha, is a game about magical girls and giant robots. Um, there's a whole section in here. Um, there's an entire page in this document dedicated to saying, just because it's called Magical Girls and Mecha doesn't mean people who aren't girls can't play. It's the genre of the game that it is. It is a statement of the genre, not of the people who can play it. Which I had to like think about really hard about how to phrase that. Um, Gosh darn it, fix yourself. Stop deleting my extra pages. I know they're blank. Put that there. Make it bigger. Make it bigger. What? Why is this happening? Oh my god. What's broken? Why is Google Drive breaking on me? I believe in you. Yeah, but I wouldn't explicitly state that it's a genre, not a no, only girls can play this game thing. Um, okay, so that goes there, and then this. Let me zoom out once again. Why is Google? Oh my god, Google Drive is broken. Why is Google Drive broken? Why is Google Drive broken? Oh my, we're all seeing this madness, this fuckery. So we're gonna just refresh the page, and we're gonna like it thinks it's several hundred pages. This is frustrating. Why I can't have nice things. Okay, is that better? Okay, there. Now it's back to its correct 40 pages. Okay, there's formatted properly. And then this page is blank. And then this page I'm going to insert something onto. Upload from computer. Google Drive. When it's not colored, I can't see what it is sometimes. So for the gender non-specific term that I use to describe the magical people in this game, I called them key keepers. Because it's a joke about there's doors and they have the keys to the doors and there's a whole bunch of uh stuff. Okay, that's blank, and then yes, and then it goes. Haha. Okay, there, it's fixed. It's better. Everything's good. Okay, setting. Okay, so there's nothing in setting that I'm changing, and I'm adding theme section in, but it should have tone before theme. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna have to fix all these charts. Gross. I'm gonna have to fix all my charts. It actually wasn't that painful. Okay, so then tone, and then I'm just gonna copy and paste that header. What header is this? Heading two. Heading two. Heading two. It's not supposed to say tone, it's supposed to say the players, story, safety, tools, and how to use. Nope, I'm just gonna put safety tools. And I'm just gonna steal the ones that I've already written. System. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over here, go to safety tools, and steal the bit that I already wrote. Because why rewrite something when you've already done it? Okay. So story, I need to go find where I wrote the story. I will find that. This is going to insert lore here. And actually, let me select all of this and do that. I do actually want it like that. Except for this. This should not be like that. This should be like that. Why is this like this? Why does this look weird? Oh, I know why. It's supposed to be normal text. That's why. That's what's happening. Okay, I fixed it. Everything's fine now. Yeah, there we go. Everything's better now. Everything's good. So okay. So anyway, let me talk through. Let me attempt to talk through what I did. So this is a companion live stream to a video I posted to my YouTube channel where I did all these notes by hand. Um, and now I'm going through for a second time to make sure that they're right because the playtest for this game has started. I want this game to go well. Magical Girls and Mecha. Oops. I'll leave it. A text-based role-playing system. All actions are told through first-person text play between players in various text and various channels on Discord and in player journals in some kind of shared online notebook. Magical Girls and Mecha assumes anything written in a game channel is canon and in character for the game, for use and reference within the game, within the game. So what am I doing? What am I saying? No, wait, do that. Do that, do that. But this is bitter. Yeah, what the freak? Okay, that should fix everything. Shared online. Did I put a space between paragraphs? Yes, I did. I did double tap between paragraphs. Okay. The moderators, game master, and players and their combined choices create the story of Magical Girls and Mecha. Turn over because I wrote stuff on the back of this together.
Key keepers. The mo- the moderators and game master determine the premise and background of the adventure being told, with canon lore of the world. Once the story begins and the situation has been laid out, keykeepers and other keykeepers and other characters make choices that determine the course of the game.
Oh, cool. Yeah, this is gonna be a pretty chill stream. Let me make it bigger. I don't know why I meant to put it at 200. Just so it's easy to read. And move my mic arm out of the way of whatever. It's gonna just be there. But yeah, this is gonna be a pretty chill stream. Actually, I guess I don't need to keep a dev log because I have the log as to what I wrote here. So this is in my way. This giant binder book is in my way. Look at how chunky my planner is. You can't see because the light's really white, but look how chunky my planner is. My chunky baby planner. There are channels that play. These are the channels that players have access to for gameplay. Everything said in these channels is considered to be considered in game. Character and becomes canon. Footnote. 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 If ooh. If something is deleted, it is as if it didn't happen unless another player has already reacted to the message. Reflects the message. It is advised that players do not delete messages, rather edit them to fix whatever error they may have made. Notes about the game privilege. This channel is played link their text document choice. These are notes for the players for reference of what they thought was important to remember. Actually, I'm gonna just copy and paste this a bunch of times. Okay, I want to insert something there. I'm inserting art. I'm gonna go back and tag all my art. Because I have to put alt text. I made that sound not because I don't want to make alt text, but because I'm bad at writing alt text, even though I know I need to write it. Which actually reminds me. This gets deleted. Ooh, make that smaller. How do I make? Do I make this smaller? Make this smaller. And 1/4. Look at my beautiful logo. So pretty. It's so beautiful. I could cry. I could cry. Okay, so insert other things. I need to get so basically what's gonna happen is this entire document is gonna get uploaded. Okay, so I have to zoom back out. Okay, so I'm gonna make this 12. I do this. So sometimes when I'm doing design stuff, I get sidetracked by doing uh I'm doing fixing writing things. I get distracted by doing design things. Why is it doing that? Why are you doing that? Okay, there we go. You fixed yourself. Good job. And then okay, so that's the front cover, that's the back cover. And table of content. Okay, yeah, that's right. Okay, there. I fixed it. I made it better. Everything's better now. Uh, I'm just gonna insert all the art now so I don't have to do it later. Um, Also because I like looking at it and it makes me happy, and I can figure out the formatting around the art. Um, I can figure out the sizing around the art. Um, all the art for this game is done by Avery, also known as Matt Bat on Twitter and I think also on Instagram and like every other place. They're amazing. They do amazing art. I love them.
delete.
Ah, I broke it. I broke it. I broke it. Broke it. Why are you broken? Oh, I know why you're broken. Okay, never mind. Okay, undo that, undo that, undo that, undo that. Undo that. I want you to wrap text. Both sides. I want it to. I want it to not move with 6 pixels on the page. Okay, so it's gonna go here and it's gonna get scooted up a little bit, so it goes there. Don't do that. Okay, now I need to zoom in because I can't actually see what it's doing. Let me see. Okay, art by. Oh, I know what it's doing. There we go. And then creating a character. Or I could just do that. And then shove this up. And then zoom back out to 90% this time. And then put that there. And do like that. Okay, there. That solved that problem. I do a lot of my formatting in Google Docs, even though I sort of know InDesign. Just because I'm lazy and InDesign is a lot of work. Okay. Move to in-game channel. Okay, so let me go back up because I got distracted putting art in. Out of game. I need to move this section, entire chunk, go up here, insert row, below. And then delete this row. Delete row. I need to figure out how to get that line up here. Can I do this? No, that doesn't solve my problem. Why is there so much space between those two lines? Okay, I'll fix the formatting. Fix it. Fix it. Fix it. Okay, there we go. Sorry, I know you can't see what I'm doing because the text is really, really tiny. Give me a second and I will make it back to being big again. I just can't see when it's really big, like the full page. And I'm trying to make these pages, these tabs, fit. Once I figure this out, I'll make it big again. Anyway, sorry. So in Magical Girls Mecha, so I basically wrote all these notes down on paper, and I'm just like implementing them in this document. But one of the notes I had was insert pictures. Wait, what's happening there? Ah, there we go. That's gonna fuck up. Don't do that. Do that. Ah! Now you think I'm 100 pages, don't you? Shit. Okay, undo that. Save. It puts itself in the header. That's what it's doing. Okay, I figured out what it was doing. I was like, why does it do that all the time? I want. Okay, so let me look at a print version of this now. Just real fast so I can see what it looks like on a PDF. That looks right. That looks right. All this looks right so far. I'm not deep enough into it to know. What to. I want to move this down someplace else. And there'll be a long. Okay, so that goes there. Okay. Okay. So it's not that long of a document, to be honest. That gets there, and then references goes there, and then thank you acknowledgement, and then additional information gets centered. Okay, so that's the last of the formatting things that I need to do. Now we get to do the actual like writing edits because oh, the art looks so good. Avery did such a good job. I literally can't stop. I can't like say nice enough, amazing. Oh my god, it's 40 pages now. Can't say enough nice things. Like they were amazing. Okay, so I moved that up, and that stays the same. None of these pages change, and it's not like it's a player tone. How is the game supposed to feel? Well, that's one drink down. Um, teams, players. Actually, I don't want this here. I lied. I'm just italicizing something. Heading 2, heading 3, heading
Um, Alright, this one requires. Okay, so this should say key keepers. Local newspaper organization and Neo City Chronicles. Oh, the Neo Cities. And beautiful, beautiful art. Out of game consciousnesses that are not that occur but are non-character. Nothing is known from these channels. Nothing known from these channels is considered canon or public novel unless otherwise stated within the in-game within the in-game channels. Let me change my music as well because you can't hear my music, but I can hear my music. I don't like what it's playing. Oh, it is playing. Okay. Character logs. Each player makes a new message where they log information to keep track of the Google Docs or whatever your preferred note taking. Actually, you know what? I like footnotes. I like endnotes, but I don't know. There's still no way to put. There's no way to put that annoys me that there's no way to put endnotes in Google Docs. Like that's like such a why haven't you done that type thing. Uh, and those are voice channels. Those are fine. Okay, so Magical Girls. Okay, so I'm gonna change this to Key Keepers. This gives her the ability to pull a mech robot from Hammer Space. Key Keepers have been tasked with traveling to the okay. Yes, that's the right word. A lot of this is going to be me literally changing this from saying Magical Girl to saying Key Keeper. It's going to be super fun. What's happening? Then these need to be turned that way. Key Keeper. Key Keeper. Chronicle employee. Stop it. Sorry, I don't mean to make weird, sad sounds. They're the first person. They're in first person. They're the first the keeper. Continue as they travel through the ones from before. Okay. Oh, wait a second. This is redundant. I don't know why this is here. Because the next page should have a picture on it. Yes. Okay, wait. Actually.
Busy.
Okay, so now I highlighted some stuff on this page. Oh, that's why how do I want to do this? Okay, so I'm gonna move this entire chunk of information up here, which is why I wrote players. No, actually, this is gonna go at the end. I'm lying. That goes there, and then creating a character will get moved elsewhere and move before this. Discord in game. I want to click there, go up, and then enter and put that. No, get out of here. Why are you doing this to me? I just want a line. I just want a line. Why is this difficult? Why is this difficult for you? Fine, I just will lose that line. I'll just put it in a text. I'll just put it in a note. Also, I feel like I've reiterated that point several times already. Really, I don't even need it there. I'm just putting it there to make myself feel better. Um, ba, 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 pre-existing relationships between characters. Okay, so that got moved. Okay, so let me find where it says semi-open. Okay, so that's supposed to get deleted. It's supposed to say is an open-ended world that is fully dependent on the players, characters. Oh, I must have deleted that. character blog, while players' characters journal serves as a traditional character blog, comma, while the shared Discord channels are the home to play by post. Okay, yeah, that's right. That is correct. Someone's yelling at me. I just who's yelling at me? Not at 9 o'clock, you're not. Ba 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 ba. Okay, whatever, that's fine. I don't care. Okay, continue with what I'm doing. This is on page 13, which is now a whole different page. Established during session 0, players once a day, blah 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 blah. Within the Discord channels. Oh. Players can and should read one another's journals to get the full extent of the scene and story. It is up to the players to not act on this information because unless their characters are also privy to the journal entries in question. Okay. In terms of what they mean. Actually, I'm gonna move basic rules and rules for fighting, rules for oh, so that whole section is just gone. I'm gonna put that up here. I'm gonna put that up here. No, let's not put it there. Let's try this again. I'm gonna take this whole playing. I don't want to call it playing the game. Now playing should be called something else. I just don't know what else to call it. But I want to put it up here. This needs to be retitled. Header for this. Okay. Okay, so let me get rid of this. They come in all shapes and sizes. Color for general 10 feet determinate shape with wheels as feet. That whole chunk gets deleted because it is no longer true. And then their building size, they're sentient. They're animal-like creatures. missions. Versus versus envi or player versus environment. Ah! Player versus nope, I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to do that. Player. I reference these things versus player. Missions. I have to change out this magical girl for key keepers. Okay, so then let's go back down to basic rules. Cause I'm only defining player versus player and player versus every environment. It could be player versus everything, and it's not player versus it's basic rules. Okay. So let's make these numbers. You become 3, you become 4. So let's do this and put that there. You become metagame is 3 and you become 4. And there's no 5th rule. The levels, the description of violence should be stayed within the borders established by Rule 1. The reaction. Period of time, relation. Why is this like this? Why are you like this? Why are you like this? Why is it like that? I don't understand what's happening, but okay. Oh, okay. Never mind. It was just the way old wishes. Old familiar. Familiar? Familiar? I think that's the right word. These are relationships that you are either born into or found yourself a part of. Okay. Now not squishies. Someone that you are interested in and want to be close with, but in a not romantic manner. Oh, it didn't press the enter. I was like, why does it look weird again? This person, someone you want to be close with and form a connection to, but in a non-romantic way. That covers that note. And then you're gonna get to see the fun part where I have to write the devlog for this. Oh, I guess I don't need to put a praise break there anymore. Cities. I don't know how that typo happened, but I'm just gonna fix it. Just one more. Cities. Established in the world. Cannot be sold in the real world. Time does not have to just measure size one day, one in-game week. The just amount of time is one game day to 3 in real life days. So it's gonna change because 3 to 1 sounds best. Because no sounds not here in hurry to rush. The world is what in the world is magical girls, the keepers, sphere of influence and where it takes place and when is it set. What is this level of violence perpetrated? Establishing for browsers key further into the game. In the game and oops, you go over safety tools. Establishing boundaries is key. Because this game is weird. Not weird. This game isn't weird. Cards. Oh my god, I have to run Grammarly through this. That's gonna be fun. Grammarly's gonna yell at me for perpetuated. Oh, perpetuated. Perpetuated. I don't. Non-romantic. Present is gonna tell me to put a comma there. No, duh. I already regret telling Grammarly to look at this document. Like, I already regret telling Grammarly to look at this document. Because it's going to just yell at me the entire time. Establish some key keepers. This is some... Drag tag. I was going to put so many commas in this document that I'm probably missing. Who are the other NPCs on this trip? Who are the other NPCs on this trip? Where that's okay. There is a protocol for that. Ah, shoot. There's hard. Though hard, it's not impossible to begin magic for another. Other key keepers. Other key keepers. I guess that works. Other key keepers to be transported to one another. How it takes time process is not an easy process. This would be within the game, within the confines of the game. This would be considered an event that players can take part in. Wait, did it not type any of that? Oh, okay. I was about to be really upset if it didn't type any of those things that I just wrote. Okay, so this is the fun thing. So when I did this, I just broke something. I know it. That's why it's freezing, because I broke something. I'm sorry, Google Docs. Please let me back into my document. Okay. I've literally broken this document multiple times because I ran grammar. I'm just gonna reload the page. I don't have the patience to figure out what's wrong with the document. Why it keeps doing that. Uh, Exit page. Reload. I'm aware you crashed. Where am I? Zero. Oh, I'm at the end of this. Holy crap! This didn't take as long as I thought it was gonna take. Fascinating. I somehow thought this was gonna take a lot longer than it did. But I'm glad it didn't take that long. Then I have to write the devlog, which is gonna make me cry a lot. I'm not really. I'm not really crying. I'm just gonna be crying about it in a like big sense. Okay, let me zoom back in. I really wish you could put footnotes in this. Like, I really, really wish you could put footnotes in Google Docs. Like, there's like add-ons that let you do it, but like I don't want an add-on. I want it just to be a default function. Like, give me endnotes. Give me endnotes or give me death. So that's there. Oh, okay. So I guess that's not terrible. Civilian, when when they are their civilian selves. Okay, I'll leave the civilian selves. I don't particularly like that line. That's just a weird way to say that. Okay, so 0.1. So 0.1 can become 5.1 mission 1. 0.1. I'm just gonna leave it. Ah, that might solve my mystery. Okay, okay, okay. I want to expand the GM section, but I didn't put anything there to say what I wanted to expand. I just said expand this. This is your first mission. Proceed generally as follows. Five is wrong. Travel to mission location. Okay, so that's that. This actually didn't. This it actually took me about the same amount of time I typed this out as it did for me to write it out by hand. Do I have stars and wishes in this? No. Section of play. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so then I moved the theme bit to the front. I hope have fun. Congrats. This needs to get moved up here. As a player, you in Magical Girls Mecha, you are okay. Swap. So this is where I have a mystery on my hands. I don't remember what it was. Swap mod and GM order. Why did I do that? Okay. For moderators. So this, let's move up there. Work, I think if I can work with and manage the keepers from that section. Why did I write breaks? Your keepers. Role management player. Manage. What players are the more players that you have, the more moderators the game should have. There should be a 5-to-1 players to forgot the B. Okay. So then fix the blank space. I might only been an hour and a half. I might poke around some more in this document. Okay, so get ampersand. Yeah, I'm just gonna go through and make like little changes now, because I'm at the end of my written notes. I know I have more of them. I need someone to look at this who isn't me, to be honest. That'll be helpful. Someone who wasn't me read this document and gave me feedback in this document with notes and commentary and all that jazz. Because I've read this document a bunch of times, obviously, for varying reasons. Um, we will be moving forward directly. Okay, blah, 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 blah. That's the last one. A bit about world building. With well-being. I'm not gonna write that. That's silly. Are they a key keeper? Are they a key keeper, or are they an adult? Okay, switch reaction. Switch reaction. With goals. Reactions when beekeepers and then mechanism upon what they do first. Okay, so then that's okay. Steve. Version. Okay. And so my Twitter is now at mcatterdev. Mark. You know what? You know what? Don't even do that. Okay, cool. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, actually, now that I think about it, is I'm going to update the playtest survey. Okay. Okay, let's update the playtest survey. Email address, name, age. Actually, I don't really need your age. Delete. Kind of. Change this. Even though I might have to change some of these questions. Okay. Actually, that didn't take me that long either, because I already knew what the questions were going to be. Let me import some of the other questions from my other games. I have other playtest surveys that I've done. Okay. The micro game. Inspired the guidebook was clear and easy to follow. Was it easy to follow? Mm. I need all of these to be required. Okay, I think that's it. Okay. Okay, let's go back to the top of this document and make. Oh, I should update the wiki. No, I don't want to update the wiki. I should update the wiki. I should write lore for this. Actually, where's my. I have lore written for this somewhere. Actually, you know where it is? I know where it is. Go here and go here. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, let me grab this. Put that there. Take this. Go up there. Put that there. How do I get rid of that line? Get rid of that line. How do you get rid of that line? Remember. I never remember. I don't know how I did that. I did it and I don't know how I did it. Okay. So yeah, that's how long is it now? It's 43 pages. I'm not fixing the formatting again. It just can exist in this 43-page document. Let's save it as a just download as a PDF. But I didn't put alt text in. Am I gonna put alt text in on this version? No, I'm not. I'm a horrible person, but I'm not. I have to think. I'll think about alt text. Wait, why didn't it download? Oh, there it is. Version 1.1. Cut and paste this into where it belongs. Version 1.0. Okay. Okay, cool. So that is it. That is
I'm gonna go off and write a devlog for this. Lord help me. And inform my playtesters that this document is up and ready for them to access. But thank you everyone who hung out with me. Thanks to everyone who's been in chat lurking. I appreciate the silent support. It looks so good. It does look really good. It does look really good. I'm glad. Like, it's a beautiful document. So now you have to read 43 pages. I'm sorry for making it so long, but you don't actually have to read the whole thing. You just read the parts that are part for the players. I mean, you can read the whole thing. I would like if you read the whole thing. Um, oh, you just got okay. How did you just get here? What have you been doing? I've been here for like a whole hour and a half. I mean, mind you, it's only been an hour and a half. I could pause and do something else. I don't want to play Among Us. I don't want to play Final Fantasy either. What should I do? I guess I could write my devlog online. You can see me write this devlog and struggle through it. An audiobook? No. How would I make an audiobook? I have a terrible reading voice. Horrible at reading. Like, I'm genuinely terrible at reading. You'd be shocked. God damn it. No, it's fine. I was gonna do the devlog anyway, and I just was gonna turn it off. I didn't think anyone cared about my devlog, but I can talk you through doing the devlog. Just give me 2 seconds to hide this file. Upload file. Version 1. Oh. I mean, I could write an audiobook. I'm actually working on. I have an audio drama that I want to do. Um. Oh, I know what I can do. I know what I need to do. Let's do something else. No, I need smaller than fit. Okay. Hold on a second while I take a bunch of screenshots. God, that's so loud. But no, I'm actually one of my 2021 plans is to write an audio drama. We'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes. Oh, you know what I can do? First, 4 pages. Print pages custom 1 through 4. Save as PDF. Right, now that I've done that, I'm doing something really weird. I promise it's weird and it'll make sense once I do it. But I'm just being a little lazy and exporting.
Okay, so now export to image PNGs. Google Drive. Where'd Google Drive go? Key. There it is. I have to work on Panda Quest one day. Okay. I want to make a gameplay video or trailer for this game too. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Add screenshot. So I'm doing this off screen, just because it's my itch page. Oh, did you not give me all the pages? Page 5. Fuck. Page 5. Document. Wait, where did it go? Okay, so I did that wrong. I did something wrong there. No! Sorry, I didn't mean to make that noise. I apologize to anyone who had to hear that weird squeaking noise I just made. I just got really scared really fast. I'd fucked something up. Custom page 5. Save. Okay. Export to image JPEG. Nope. It goes up here, and then I'm gonna go there, and then go there, and then go there, and stick it in here. Okay, close that, add screenshot. Down. The interface for it is so terrible sometimes. Like, it drives me up the wall. But it's whatever. Listen, I'm gonna be super, like, you think I'm busy now? I'm gonna be super busy come, like, November. Okay. Wait, what? Did it not do the thing? That's hidden. General update. Okay, whatever. I don't know what's wrong with this. Okay. Now I did it. I did it before. What did I do it for? I did it for House of Press, didn't I? Oh, it's just okay. Oops. How do I name this stop? Oh, there it is. Magical Girls and Mecha version 1.1 pre-playtest. How do I do bullets? Stars, okay. Let's do this. Let's do this. So I'm gonna go through everything that I just updated and changed and all the things that I did. Blah blah blah. Let me just zoom in. You can see what I'm writing as I write it. So, updated the cover art with the logo. With the logo. Designed by. Who designed my logo? No, it's Tris. Is this regular Tris or is this? Nope, this is not regular Tris. Wrong Tris. Please pay no mind to that Tris. Pay no mind to the man behind the curtain. Oh, there it is. Logo design at Trasis. Okay. Updated the cover art. What else did I do? I added something. I added policy on updated language to be more gender neutral. Let's see, what else did I do? Be more gender neutral. I moved some things around. Replace the words Magical Girls with key keepers where the context made sense, which is basically everywhere. Updated the tone section. Okay, come on. Updated the theme section. Move the theme section to a earlier portion place in the guidebook. Introduced the tone player story safety tools and system structure sections to the guidebook. Okay. Minor grammatical errors. Made minor grammatical changes and corrections, which is true. Updated the text for the journal entries section. move the Neo Cities Chronicles channel, Discord channel section, choose an in-game channel versus the out-of-game channels section of the guidebook. Okay, what else should I do? That's that. Help desk remove. No, wait, I took something out. I deleted something. Okay, maybe it's not in this part yet. Added more art. Map that. Added more art to the guidebook. Art by Matt. Right? Okay, it is Matt. Okay, wait. Move the Neo City Chronicles section. Add art. Remove the Neo City Chronicles section. Remove the Neo Cities. Oops. Oh my god, my headphone cable is like so in the way. So annoying. Cities Chronicles section in Google Docs as it was redundant. Move the playing as your character section elsewhere in guidebook. Add a note. Move terms and what they mean earlier in the guidebook. Why are you telling me this word guidebook is spelled? Oh, in the guidebook, okay. Numbered the basic rules. Numbered and reordered the basic rules. Added new definitions to terms and what they mean. Added new terms to terms and what they mean. Added new relationship options in the rules for relationships and other interpersonal behaviors. Behaviors section. Oops. I did a whole bunch of, like, this list is gonna seem really, really long, but it's really not that long. Mission 1 became Mission 0 is now labeled Mission Z. Mission 0.1 is now mission point 1. Oh, thank you. Wait, where was that? Where did you see that? To an earlier place in the guidebook. To move terms and what they mean. Early to, wait, what? No. in the gut. Oh, I'm assuming that's what you're talking about. Mission Z. Mission Z. Mission Z point. Oops. It has red under it. Oh, that's Grammarly yelling at me. That's valid. I kind of like I see Grammarly yelling at me from time to time, and I just kind of ignore it because it's Grammarly. Like, oh, Grammarly's mad at me. Okay. Red point one. Put that down. Themes I mentioned that I moved to the front. Reordered the form the moderators section of the guidebook. Okay, and then I updated the contact, updated the acknowledge, thanks for using acknowledgement, updated the color sign. Okay. I literally, this is the fact that updated the thank you and acknowledgement section, updated the colophon section, added about the author section, updated contact to now read around the web, updated the information in the around the web. Playtest survey has been modified. Okay, that's it. That's everything that I changed. That's everything that I changed. It's not even half the things that I need to change, but it's the things that I did change. Update. Playtest. What's today? Today's the 2nd. Oh, okay, cool. And we're done. We are done. We are completed. We have finished the task that I had set out to do. It only took me 2 hours. Call this a success. Now I get to go bother people on Twitter about, hey, read my game. Oh, wait, what? Oh my god, are you kidding me? Can I edit this post? Oh my god, okay. I can't believe you have to put a space between them for that to work. I would have been so upset if I hadn't seen that just now. If this doesn't fix it, I'm gonna be really upset because this is Markdown, and I suck at Markdown. Well, I don't suck at Markdown. I just don't like Markdown. There we go. There's my proper list. It's only 20 minutes. Cool, I'm done. Thank you everyone who's been around. Edit game. Okay, I'm gonna change this. That there. Make this 20. Okay, let me zoom back out. I'm just fixing my stuff back. What the heck? Sort yourself out, computer. On PS4, sometimes the history updates and change launches. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go on Twitter and be like, hey, I updated. Hey everyone, I just did a massive-ish update. Nope, I'm just gonna say massive update to Magical Girls and Mecha. You can see the devlog here. Check the game. It here. Nope, that's the wrong place. This is the right place. Okay, tweet, I'm done. Oh, that's annoying. Yeah, no, I should make a blog somewhere in the world, to be honest. I have a Tumblr, but I don't use it. I really should. Oh, I'm so tired. I'm not really that tired. I'm just kind of a little bit tired. Um, but I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Like, I have no idea what to do now with myself that I've done this update. Update. I guess I should tell people that I did this update. Because that's important. But yeah, I just post. I've only started doing devlog updates because, um, Mecha Guidebook has been updated. See the list of changes here. Version 1.1 pre-playtest. See the change. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. What is that? I can't see. Oh, never mind. It was Kupo's raid. I was like, what is that thing? I forget that sometimes my thing. Um. Um. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? I don't know what I was thinking just now. I don't know. Whatever. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Anyway, I'm gonna call it a night. I'll be back on Wednesday doing something else game dev related. I'm not quite sure what. Um. but I'll figure it out. Until then, enjoy the rest of your week. And Godspeed, America. Godspeed.